Okay, so with these problems, there's two things that you need to keep in mind. The first is that it's giving us the values it wants us to substitute for our variables. And the second is that you need to follow PEMDAS. So PEMDAS is our order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, as some students know. And it means first we start with parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. So a lot of times when students get these problems wrong, it's because they're not doing them in the right order. So first off, I'm going to start by substituting 2 for the letter G. So instead of the letter G, I'm going to put 2, and then I'm going to put that exponent. You asked earlier about what a power is. A power is this right here. It's a base and an exponent. So next I'm going to substitute 7 for H. So instead of the letter H, I'm putting 7, but I keep its exponent. So now I'm ready to start with my order of operations. Do I have parentheses? No. So I skip that and move to the next thing. I do have exponents. So keep in mind, 2 to the 5th is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So that's 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. And over here, 7 to the 3rd is 7 times 7 times 7. 7 times 7 is 49. 49 times 7 is 343. And there was a minus in between them, so I'm going to keep that right there. So we took care of our exponents. Next, we want to check, do we have multiplication or division? No, we do not. So we move right along to addition or subtraction. Here we have 32 minus 343. So we're going to end up with negative 311. I'll do one more, and then hopefully from there, you'll be able to figure this out. I'm going to go ahead and do number 12. So remember, they give us these values. I'm going to start by substituting them. So instead of the letter R, I'm going to put negative 3. And instead of S, I'm going to put negative 4. But notice there's a minus in between them. So that double negative is actually a positive, because two negatives make a positive when we're multiplying or dividing. So now I'm going back through my order of operations.